Hey there, it's Molly, and I'm hanging out at moodfabrics.com, working with Mood's Floral certified vegan Charmeuse, which comes in several colors. This product has a very silken hand on the face. It's very soft but slightly textured on the wrong side. Features no stretch or give, and it is mostly translucent. This product has an effortless, flexible drape, and it's also eco-friendly, so closet enhancing. I would love to see this as a pussy bow blouse with bishop sleeves paired with high-waisted dark jeans and some stilettos.